The big picture for this lesson is prime factorization. So first of all, what's a prime number? A prime number is a number whose only factors are 1 and itself. What are some examples? 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. Composite numbers, those are numbers that can be factored. Examples of those: 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so on. There are many math procedures that require an understanding and factoring skill. So let's take a look at how to factor a composite number. Let's look at 12. So before you start factoring, you need to make sure you understand the factorization rules. And there are rules for numbers 2 through 10 in terms of factorization. So let's look at 12. 12 is an even number, and that means 2 can be divided into it. And that's the most common factorization rule that's used. So let's take 12 and divide it by 2, and you get 6. 6 is still an even number, so that can be divided by 2 again, and then that makes 3. Now 3, 2, and 2, these are all prime numbers. So that means it is factored as far as it can go. That's the prime factorization of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. There's another way to factor these. It's called a factor tree. So what you do is you break 12 up into factors. So for example, 2 goes here and 6 goes here because 2 times 6 is 12. And then 6 can be factored again to 2 and 3 because 2 times 3 makes 6. And then it's handy to go ahead and circle all the factors when you're done. 2 times 2 times 3. So that's another way to visualize the factorization process. And that's the big picture for this lesson.